안녕, 미스톨롱이야. Hey guys, this is Mr. Long and welcome back to my channel. Finally, I get a chance to make this video to update my life, what's happening to me, and give you some tips in your application for the GKS. It has been a while that I did not make a video because of so many things that's happening, and then I got no time. I was so busy with so many stuffs, with my thesis preparation. And as you know from my previous videos, I wasn't able to graduate on time with this GKS scholarship. So now I'm not a GKS scholarship anymore. No more allowances, no more privileges with a GKS scholarship. This video is solely for tips, sharing to you my experiences, and I hope this video could help you also prepare for your application. And thank you guys for staying with me, for all your comments on my videos. I really appreciate those encouragements every time I post my videos on YouTube. Sorry if I did not reply to some of you, but I appreciate all your comments. Thank you guys for supporting me all throughout my GKS journey. Alright, so as you know, I'm a graduate degree student, so a lot of people also ask in my TikTok account, in Instagram, in YouTube about undergraduate application processes. I will clear this out to you that I don't know anything about the undergraduate processes, so I'm sorry, but I cannot answer. So for the tip number 1, be mindful of the language when choosing a university, choosing a department, and choosing a major. I know you will be studying Korean for maybe more or less 1 year. It will be like 11 months. So I'm telling you this based on my experiences. I had these classes with 100% Korean. It was an interesting class, so I took it, but it was a bad idea because I was like, I did not learn anything from it. Though the class did not have any exam, we only had presentations and I can present in English, but still the learnings from all the presentation was zero because all of my classmates used Korean to present their topics. So be mindful in choosing the language of your major. If you can find 50-50 at least, but mostly if the professor chooses to teach in Korean, you cannot do anything about it. So be mindful of that. If you can find major which is very related to your expertise, to your academic backgrounds, work experiences background, and it's in English, then apply to that. Never ever 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 apply to a major with 100% Korean. Don't do the same mistakes as I did. So be mindful on that. Contact the university, contact the department, communicate with the professor if you can, and ask if the major will be taught in English or at least 50-50 Korean English. That will work. Okay, if you're working in a lab, or if you will work or applying to a major with a laboratory work, make sure that the major or the lab that you're applying to is related to your background, related to your interest, related to your passion, related to what you want to do, especially in research field. Because again, based on my experience, it was not really a good experience because, you know, I did not have any laboratory background back in the Philippines. Entering in the lab and doing this research experiments was a challenge for me. So I wasn't able to, you know, grasp the lab environment quickly, but I was able to adapt to it. But learning was a process for me. It was so difficult. And the major that I applied is kind of a little different, though it's related to food, but the fields are different with my bachelor's and my working experiences. So make sure that if you're applying for that specific major, you do have research about it. Look for the professor's field of studies. If you're interested about it, read some papers about that professor, the publications, and check if those studies can really help with your field or can be of help when you apply to that laboratory. And most of the informations of the professors are uploaded in the university website, department website. You can check everything in Google the university, Google the department. Don't ask anybody who applied to GKS scholarship where to find this, what to do. Do it yourself. Okay, internet is there. Find in Google, search the university website, search the department, and do it yourself. Do the research yourself. Check all the possible informations that you can get from the website of the university if you're planning to apply to that professor specifically. My third tip is for the essay. This time, you should think of starting to write your thesis. So third tip is about the essay. If you are watching this video right now, you are lucky to be reminded to start drafting your essay right now. Essay is very crucial in applying for this scholarship because everything about your background will be based on your essay. Let's say 50% of the application is from your essays, from your personal statement and your study plan. So as much as possible, as soon as possible, draft your essay right now so you can have more revisions until the application opens in February. And be honest on your essay. Write in your essays your passions, why you really love or why you really wanted to receive this scholarship, not because of K-pops or K-dramas, as I've mentioned many times. Do not write that as your focus or reason for applying. Though it will help a little, but it's not the main point of this application or for your essay because you're applying for academic scholarship. So it means that you should be writing something academically about your profession, your field of studies, why you should receive this scholarship, your academic background, your family background, and all of this stuff. Not just because you like Korea, you like the food, you like K-dramas, K-pops, you want to come to Korea because of all of those stuffs. It will help, but not 100%. So again, this scholarship is very competitive, and if that's your reason to come to Korea, I think you should think twice. So my tip again is to start drafting your essay as soon as possible so you can have more revisions and you can think longer. Yes, although my experience really as a GKS while studying my master's was not really a good one, I would say I've learned a lot of lessons, life lessons, emotional lessons. I got independent working in the lab. I got to read a lot of papers because I pressured myself a lot to finish reading papers. Although it was not really an easy journey, and now I still did not graduate yet, I'm still thankful for the GKS, for the scholarship that they gave me. I had the best days of my life in Korea because of the scholarship money. I did not worry a lot. I don't need to worry a lot about my expenses here in Korea as they are giving enough money for me to survive here in Korea. I was really thankful for them, for all the experiences that I experienced because of the Global Career Scholarship Program. I'm so thankful for everything, the people I met in the language school, and also my learnings in the laboratory, meeting my professors, reading all those research articles and journals, and doing all the experiments. Those are very valuable learnings that I will bring wherever I go. And I'm still continuing this master's. I hope that I will be able to graduate next February next year, and I'm praying for that. And I hope that all of you guys who are still on the journey of studying, having hard time in Korea, having hard time in the laboratory. I hope you guys good luck and good health, and don't worry a lot, everything will be fine. So yeah, good luck to everyone who's applying, and I will still continue making videos about GKS, about my life in Korea, as much as I could, and provide informations to everyone who's watching and subscribing to my channel. I'll hope that I can help you more with regards to coming to Korea, a lot of informations about Korea. So bye guys, I'll see you again on my next video. Thanks for watching. 감사합니다. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.